actually Nate Stoutby.
Done.
Getting some beer. I'll watch the bikes. Here. Alright. Oh, damn. Dude.
Yeah, man. Okay.
How you doing?
Hello, Deputy Nugget Parish Sheriff's Office. Y'all have any ID?
I do. There you go.
Also need the vehicle information, please. Registration, proof of insurance.
I don't have that on me.
Okay. Why are y'all riding on the highway?
My dumbass idea, tried to talk him into going out for a little joyride and made the mistake of, you know, risking it, but I do apologize. I wasn't trying
Okay.
to...
Do me a favor, take your helmets off.
Yes, ma'am.
Where y'all come from?
We're actually from visiting with great grandma's house. We're from California, out here on family vacation.
Y'all came up to leave.
Yeah. You know my sister?
That's your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Used to date.
We're okay. What? Small world, huh?
That's a small world.
Very small world.
Oh, yeah.
So neither one of y'all have any insurance or registration or anything on these?
They're definitely registered.
I have my
don't
registration,
the information
but
on me.
all the insurance and stuff, paperwork's back at home.
Okay, you do have the registration?
Yeah, it's on here.
No, we have our stickers. Just as far as the other paperwork, I don't carry that.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay. Come on, Talia, come in clutch. I bet I wouldn't be surprised if he's calling her right now.
Since you were honest with me. Okay, tell me something. Why are you on a motorcycle and don't have an endorsement to begin with? You too. You go first.
Honestly, just negligence.
There's no excuse. I really have nothing. There's no good answer here.
Okay. But yet you're here on a roadway.
You're right. You are absolutely
on a dirt
right.
bike.
You are absolutely right.
And you?
Talking about a motorcycle license?
Yeah.
Honestly, we ride like in the desert in California, like the sand dunes, so just an off-way highway registration and everything, and we're on here on vacation. We're riding on our property, and then he was like, let's go on the street, and we never ride on the street, so.
Yeah, I tried to convince him and regret it.
Yeah, it's absolutely a no-no down here.
Oh, I definitely believe it.
This actually might be Y'all lucky day because she's supposed to tow y'all.
I'm gonna tell you, yeah, I could tow the vehicles. I could confiscate them right now.
I believe it. I
Okay,
believe it.
and issue tickets. But I'm not gonna do it because of this man right here.
I appreciate you both.
Okay?
Very
It's
much
just
so.
because of him. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm honest with you.
No, I
all right?
appreciate you.
You can go ahead and pick that up.
I appreciate it. Thank you very
And look,
much.
y'all don't even have proper attire on.
I know that's the thing. We
No,
just
yeah.
really, I
Do
just
you
cruising, I'm not
know
trying
if
to
y'all were to
wreak
hit
havoc.
this pavement, what y'all
Yeah.
would look like if you survived?
Yeah, I was honestly, it's kind of part of the rush, but it's really not smart.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow y'all to where you going to.
Yes.
I'm gonna follow y'all.
Okay.
And y'all gonna put them up.
Oh yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely appreciate you guys.
Good thing. So I'm gonna follow y'all.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, y'all be careful.
I don't know about that night ride.
No, that's great.
Change of plans.
I just want to say thank you again. I appreciate your patience.
What is that address? Yeah, no.
More than welcome to drive down there. I'm sorry?
Yeah, yeah, let's go down there.
Okay. We got busted!
Yeah, do you want some water or anything? No. Can you play?
Really? Ah, come on, bro. Hey, what's up? I'm good, and you?
What is this?
It's electric tricycle.
Electric bicycle?
Tricycle.
Tricycle?
Yeah.
You don't have no tag, no anything on it.
What do you mean?
You don't have no plates. How do you operate this on a public way? Do you have driver's license?
No, the driver's license is not required.
Well, you're in traffic. You can't have this in traffic.
Nobody told me. The only people that the DMV told
You
me.
can't operate. You said it's a tricycle
Yeah.
on a public way if it's motorized.
No, it has.
It is motorized because you're not pushing pedals.
Yeah, it has a motor, but the thing is, it doesn't use fuel, and it
But it's still
doesn't.
motorized though.
It
doesn't matter
doesn't.
what kind of fuel it uses, right? It still has a motor on it. That's what motorized means.
Well, it doesn't have an engine, and legally, the DMV said if it doesn't have an engine, I can't register it, and since it doesn't go
You
over.
can't ride it on a public way. See that, you can ride on a public way.
Oh yeah, but I was in the bike lane. I was. That I'm not in the bike lane is when there is no bike lane drawn. You're the second officer that has pulled me over. Like, he said, I'm not gonna give you a ticket, just be careful. The time.
First. So best of luck to you, sir. Just be careful. Try to stay as far to the right as possible.
Yep.
Get home safe. Take care of yourself.
All right, see ya.